Most homeowners have never heard the term roof cricket until they're getting a roof replacement or a chimney repaired. And when they do hear it, the first question is usually, what in the world is a roof cricket? While it may have a funny name, a roof cricket serves a very important purpose. In fact, if your roof has a chimney, installing a cricket could be the difference between a roof that stays dry and one that develops leaks over time. I'm Bill Ragan, and I've been solving roofing problems with homeowners for over 35 years. Today I'll explain what a roof cricket is, when you need one, and how much you can expect to pay for it. Let's get into it. What is a roof cricket? A roof cricket is a small peaked structure built behind a chimney or other large roof penetrations. Its job is simple, to divert water around the obstacle instead of allowing it to pool behind it. This creates a path for water to split down each side of the chimney instead of getting stuck against a flat wall. Without a cricket, leaves, branches, and other debris can also pile up behind the chimney. With nowhere to go, the saturated debris leads to leaks, deteriorated flashing, and even material failure. Think of a roof cricket like a traffic diverter. Instead of allowing water to crash into the back of a chimney, it splits the flow and safely sends it around both sides of the chimney. Why do you need a roof cricket? Starting in 2012, the IBC, which is the International Building Code, made it a code that chimneys over 30 inches wide must have a cricket installed perpendicular to the slope of the roof. So if your chimney is 30 inches or wider, it must have a cricket installed. Even if your chimney is smaller than that, a roofing contractor may still recommend installing a cricket if the roof design causes water to pool behind the chimney. How is a roof cricket made? A roof cricket is almost like a mini roof. It requires framing and roofing materials just like the rest of your main roof system. Making a roof cricket entails creating a structure with 2x4s or 2x6s attached to the roof decking. Wooden boards are cut to fit and installed to the frame to act as decking. Ice and water shield is installed over the top of the wood. 99% of the time, the same roofing material as the rest of the roof is installed to complete the cricket. Keep in mind that proper installation is everything in roofing, and a roof cricket is no different. So a roof cricket can only be effective if your roofer correctly makes and installs the entire structure. How much does a roof cricket cost? One of the most common questions homeowners ask is how much a roof cricket costs. The answer depends on several factors, including the size of the chimney, the roof's pitch, the roofing material, whether you're installing a new cricket during a roof replacement or adding it later. Adding a cricket is much more cost effective during a roof replacement because the old roof is already removed. As a general guideline, homeowners can expect a roof cricket to add somewhere between $500 and $1,500 when installed as part of a roof replacement. If it's added later as a standalone project, the cost is going to be higher because portions of the existing roof system have to be removed and reinstalled. Summary of the key points. A roof cricket is a peaked structure that diverts water around your chimney. It helps prevent water buildup, debris accumulation, and roof leaks. Chimneys that are 30 inches or wider require a cricket by the International Building Code. Installing one during your roof replacement is usually more cost effective than adding one later. Proper installation is just as important as the cricket itself. If you want to learn more about roofing components, chimney flashing, or what goes into a complete roofing system, visit our website at billraganroofing.com. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks again for watching the Roofing Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue helping homeowners just like you. I'll see you on the next one.